Next question. A worksheet for measuring angles is given to all students. Each student has to measure the angle using a protractor. Students place the protractor in different ways. Of these, 4 of them are given below. Okay. Which picture shows the correct position of the protractor? So among these 4 pictures, you have to select the correct position of the protractor. Okay. So whether this is correct or wrong? Yes, wrong. Why? What is the reason? So while keeping this protractor, this center of this protractor should be keep on the vertex, is it? But here it is not kept. So this is the wrong answer. Sorry, this is the wrong position. Then this also wrong, because this base of this protractor and this side should coincide each other, but here it is not coinciding, so this is also wrong. But this is correct method, is it? Center of this protractor and vertex are coinciding, both base as well as this one of this arm are coinciding, so this is the correct answer. This is also wrong. So the correct answer is, correct position of the protractor is this one. What is the correct measurement of the angle? So here you can see this is 90 degree. After 90 it is 100, but here it is 110 degree. So the measure of this angle is how much degree? 110 degree, 110 degree. Draw angle PQR with the half the measure of the angle given in the picture. So here it is given 110, is it? So you have to draw an angle PQR measuring half of 110 degree. Half of 110 degree means how much? 55 degree, is it? So you have to draw 55 degree. So here answer is given. Angle PQR is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. Next question. Clock and needle. The following pictures of clocks show different time. Here it is 3 o'clock, here it is 2 o'clock, and here it is 7 o'clock, is it? So here the measure of angle will be how much degree? 90 degree. Here 60 degree, and here it is how much? 150 degree. Which among the following is correct with regard to the hands of the clock in the order 90 degree, greater than 90 degree, less than 90 degree? So this is 90 degree and this angle is greater than 90 degree and this angle is less than 90 degree. So the correct order is A, C, B. So A, C, B is the correct answer. Next, the time shown in the clock A is 3 o'clock. How much degrees will the minute hand move to reach the time 3:15? See, here is the minute hand. So this hand should be moved to here, is it? When the time is 3:15, both the hands will be together, is it? So from here to here it should move. So what is the measure of angle? Yes, 90 degree. Draw the hands of the clock which shows 4 o'clock and write the angle formed at 4 o'clock. So you have to draw a clock showing 4 o'clock and measure of this angle will be how much degree? 120 degree. So one more questions. These are homework, is it? So this is already we did in previous class. So these 3 are the homework. First one, the table shows the amount of electricity used in Majid's house for some months. What is the average amount of electricity used per month? Which are the months on which usage is more than the average? So here months are given: January, February, March, April, May, and unit of electricity consumed is also given. So you have to find the average amount of electricity used per month. After that, you have to find which are the months on which usage is more than the average. So the answer is, here it is given, average amount of electricity used is equal to total units of electricity used divided by number of months. So total units of electricity used how much? 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 82 plus 78. That gives how much? 410 divided by number of months. Number of months how much? 3, 2, 5. So divided by 5 we get 410 by 5 gives how much? 82. So the average amount of electricity used per month is how many units? 82 units. So you have to find which are the months on which usage is more than the average. So average is how much? 82. So which are the months on which usage is more than the average? You can see here January, February. Only two, January and February. Next question. The weights of players in a team are 68 kg, 72 kg, 80 kg, 70 kg, 60 kg, 70 kilograms. What is the average weight of the player in a team? So, how many players are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 players are there, and their average weight, their weights are given. You have to find the average weight of this team. So average weight of players is equal to total weight divided by number of players. So total weight is how much? 72 plus 68 plus 80 plus 70 plus 60 plus 70 divided by 6 gives how much? 420 divided by 60. On dividing this we get 70. Next question. The total income of a man in 8 days is 1840 rupees. What is his average income per day? So total income is 1840 rupees. Is it? So number of days is how much? 8 days. So you have to find the average income per day. So average income per day is equal to total income divided by number of days. Total income is how much? 1840, is it? Divided by number of days. Number of days is how much? 8. So on dividing this we get 230 rupees. So these are the answer to those questions. If you are not written in your notebook, please write in your notebook. Okay. So one more question. Sam scored 98, 25, 105, 62 and 65 run in 5 matches. What was the average score per match? So here scores are given and number of matches are also given. You have to find the average score per match. So average score is equal to total score divided by number of matches. So add these scores, divide it by 5, so that you will get the answer 71. The temperature of a city during a week was 35 degree, 36 degree, 34 degree, 38 degree, 40 degree, 39 degree and 44 degree Celsius. What was the average daily temperature of the town for the week? So you have to find the average daily temperature. How can we find? Add these temperature divided by 7 gives the answer. See, here it is the method. 266 by 7, that is 38 degrees Celsius is the average temperature of the town for the week. Find the average of first 10 odd numbers. So you know what are odd numbers, is it? So the first 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So to find average, find the total sum of these number divided by number of odd numbers. That is, how many numbers are there here? 3, 6, 9, 10. So divide it by 10. So that how much we will get? 100 by 10, that is 10. Find the average of the numbers 10, 21, 24, 15 and 20. So you have to find the average of this number. Add all these numbers, divide it by 5, you will get the answer 18.